Hey everyone, and welcome to the Family Fun Time team. I'm Jenny, and it is Recap January, where we go over some of the best things put on the shelf in front of us for 2021 and even before 2021, before we jump in to 2022. Now today we have a massive opening of just random surprise toys that have been brought out in 2021. But before we get into that, if you guys like watching this type of thing and this is your type of channel, please subscribe to us. Hit the subscribe button below and show us your support. With that said, in front of you is a major mix. We got Looney Tunes, Legos, we got Minecraft minifigures and Transformers Mystery Dragons. We have Blackpink, Raya the Lost Dragon, Rainbow Corn's Puppycorn. We got the real little shoes. I mean, so much here. So let's get started. I would like to start with these mystery dragons. Let's open the first one, see what we got. It's a little checklist. Oh, look at that. He got purple and orange on him. He's looking vicious. Let's see what his name is. It comes with the checklist. Let's see. Okay. And that is Crimson Gore Gutter. Gore Gutter. That is scary. Alright, here's all the mystery dragons. There they are. Let's see who else we got. I know we got another package of this here. And there may be more mystery dragons in some of these openings I have set up for us. We have so much we need to get through. And it looks like we have Titan Toothless. Look at that. They look mean. Let's jump right in. We got Ribbit Season, Looney Tunes minifigures. That's all, folks. Let us see who's in number one. Number one, we have our favorite ducky. There he is, Rabbit Season. Oh, he's so adorable. Although I don't like him going at the bugs, he's still adorable. Let's see who's in number two. Number two, we have our favorite cat. There he is, Sylvester. Although he does not need to go after Tweety with that bat. That is adorable. See, these minifigures, I like these. These are too cute. I did the marble ones, and I don't know. They were okay, but they're just not as cute as these. These are so cute. Number three is our Tasmanian Devil. He could spin on this crazy little board to go do his little swirls. He does his little swirls on that one. Or he could stand like this, which we like, and he comes with his chicken and his pie. So we put that right there. That's number three on our Looney Tunes. We're going to have to open that box we have of Looney Tunes because they are just adorable. Let's go into Transformers. Let's see who we got for Transformers. This is Autobot Whirl. He's in his helicopter, and then he transforms. I love these things. I have been a big fan of Transformers since I was little. Let's see who our second one is. Oh man, it's my favorite, Optimus Prime. I know I opened these before and I was hoping to get Optimus Prime and I never got him. He is my favorite. There he is with his Big Mac truck. And then there he is, look at him. Looking fierce. Optimus Prime always looks fierce. Look at him. He is ready. There he is. Alright, let's get into this Blackpink. I've never really opened these. I've had them for a long time. I want to check it out, see what it's all about in here. So this one has 8 pieces. It's the Sophisticated Superstars, black and pink. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we got a couple of baggies. Let's open them on up. That kind of reminded me of Snapsies putting her together. There she is. Let's see what else is in here. We got a couple of things in here. All that confetti. Look at all that. Alright, number 2 is her shoes. There's her shoes and a crown. So we're going to wait on that and see what else is in here. There is a little keychain, a Blackpink keychain to use. And a dress for her. So let's see what she looks like. We're going to put the box back there for now. And there she is. A little cute concept. Not too bad. It might be a little hard for a girl to get her dressed though, because you got to take her body apart to get her dressed. But not a bad concept all in all. And that was it for that box. What about this? This is Micro Pop Stars. Let's see what's in here. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, hey. Alright. Let's see what goes in there. And again, it's some pieces. It's a person in pieces. Now these pieces, if you've never seen them before, there they are. Okay, so you got to put the head on. Alright. There it is. And then you got to put the body on. And then you put the legs on. Now, if you get the outfit, she's doing the peace sign with her fingers. There she is. Now, I thought this was supposed to come. It says 3 fashion accessories. This is all that came in there. There she is. Now, if you get an outfit, you have to take the body off and put it on the top part of the body before you can put anything else together. I see she could get like earrings and stuff. I thought it came with fashion accessories, but I don't see any in there. So that's weird because it's empty. There's nothing else. So there's the microphone. That's just a figure then. Alright, let's check out this one. What's in this one? This one is Fantastic Pop Stars. Okay. And that came right off. Now there's the hammer. It came off right on top. And then here's the bottom. Let's see what's in here. And there's another person. So there's the person with no hair. Let's go into here. Pull this out. And then can't get it out of here. It's stuck in there, so okay. And what is this? Anything else in there? No. I'll put that right back on here. Okay, that doesn't even screw into close all the way. In the first package, we have some shoes. There's the shoes. And the hair. There's the hair. And our last package. It is some shorts. And a very tiny top. So let's get them dressed. And there she is. There she is. Now, we have one more left from Blackpink, so let's see what this one is about. We have another microphone back there, but for right now I want to see what all these are. This is the Broken Heart Superstars. So let's see what the Broken Heart ones look like. Okay, now there's that. Okay, let's break the heart. That's pretty cool. I like that. I think that's the best one out of all of them so far, is the heart. It comes apart like that. I think that's awesome. A bunch of heart confetti fell out there all over the place. Let's see what we got. Okay, there it is. Not bad. Let's see what else is in here. Some shoes. Some pretty cool shoes, actually. I like those. A little sparkly shirt. There's our doll. Let's put her together and see how adorable she looks. And there she is. Look at her. And that's it for Blackpink as of now, guys. We're going to move on to see some of the other stuff we have. I don't want to use up your whole day, so I want to go as fast as I can. Now, jumping right back in, we're going to go to Real Little Shoes. I love these. These look so adorable. I wanted to collect certain ones, but never really got to do a big opening on these. I have them, but now, these little shoe boxes are too cute. We get it open. We can see what we got. Oh, look at the little tissue paper and everything. Look at those. Those are fancy. Fancy tigers. Got the collector's guide. $25 to collect. Okay, those are the ones we got. Meow. And let's get into some more. Okay, I'm going to just start stacking our shoe boxes because we know which ones we got. We're just going to start stacking them. Let's get all these over here so we can see what we got in our collection. Let's go to number 2 for these Real Little Shoes. Let's see what we got in number 2. That's number 2. Ooh, look at those. Okay, these are going to have to stay out because these are pretty awesome. I like those. Oh, nope, they don't want to stay. We're going to put them right there. Look at those. Nice. Alright, let's go to number 3. Okay, so number 3 is our all pinks. Let's see what number 4 is. Number 4, look at these. These are gorgeous. I would totally wear those. I would wear any one of these pairs. I'm a sneaker person. I love sneakers. I haven't been able to get them in forever, but I still love them. Number 5. We have 3 more. So number 5. Let's see what we got. Number 5, look at that. Gorgeous. All purple white soles. I like it. Number 6, look at these. Wow. They are Stars Love. I think these are the ones I wanted. These are the winners right here. These are definitely the winners right there. Look at that shoe. Let me see the guide. I think those are Love Hearts. Those are so pretty. Those are so pretty. We haven't found any ultra rares yet, but if we do, they do color reveals. So let's hope our last one, number 7, is a color reveal, although that one was taking the cake. Okay, number 7. Ooh, look at those. I don't think these are no ultra rare though, but look at those. That is colors right there, guys. Gorgeous. These are the neon glitters. Wow, what amazing shoes today, guys. These are my favorite, though, right there. Those Love ones are so cute. We don't want to put the boxes up too much because we got other surprises to open still. This right here is called Wacky Packages. I have never opened one of these yet, but I want to see. These look funny. Let's see what's in here. On the top we got Just for Wolfmen shampoo. It's a Wolfman shampoo and scar coloring. That is funny. Let's see what's inside here. Take these out. Oh, there's a bunch of packages here. Alright, what's number 2? Number 2, Jolly Mean Giant Peas. Instead of the green giant peas, Jolly Mean Giant Peas. That's hysterical. Number 3 is the Kraken Sea Solid Bites. Instead of Chicken of the Sea, it's Kraken of the Sea. Number 4. Slum Made Raisins. Instead of Sun Made. That is too cute. And our last one for this. Let's see, what did we get? Scram instead of Spam. Scram! That is too funny. Those are funny packages, okay? They made me laugh a couple of times. Okay. What we're going to do now is go into our perfectly cute baby girl or boy. We don't know. Collect them all. Which one will you get? Let's see, comes with a blanket, car seat, stuffy, or bottle or sippy. Let's see what we got. Let's not read the box. Let's just open the box. And this big old package came out. We got a green seat here. Oh, and there it is. She got pigtails. Let's see what we have. Aw, look at her. She's too cute. Oh, right there she is. We're going to put her right there. She came with a little teddy, even though it doesn't have a blanket attached. And a little bottle sippy cup. It's not a bottle, it's a sippy cup, because she looks more like a toddler. Okay, adorable. Trying to get as much into today's video as we can, because I don't want to make you guys sit and wait. We have so many other surprises, so whatever we have left over today, we are going to add with a bunch more for the next video. So don't worry, you will not miss a thing, because we will do them regardless. I just don't want to make you guys sit so long. Okay, we're going into Rainbow Corn's Puppycorn Surprise. And let's see. Oh, look at that cutester. We got a rainbow corn pack down there. Let's get that egg out. Alright, what's inside the egg? Oh, let's see. Oh man, look. That is adorable, guys. Look at that. That made it so worth it right there. Here's Puppycorn's poo. Color mix poop. We all know about the poo. And there we go. Let's scratch the belly off here so we can see what it says. We'll go right like this and scratch this off. Oh, and there it is. Aw, what's in here? We got some stickers. Look at the stickers. There it is. And we got to look at our guide. We got Posh. That's who we got. Before we go for the day, we are going to add all these surprises to our next video, so you don't think you're going to miss them. You're going to see them. Just check out the other video. I don't want to make you guys sit and wait. We have so much more where these came from, so you're not going to miss it. I want to do the Minecraft minifigure first. We have so many Minecraft dungeons we have to do still. So, let's get into the minifigure and see what we got. Before we go, let's get this out. A little guide here. They do give you a nice little guide series there. And we got Hex. There he is. Look how cute he is. We did also get these new Minecraft slime minifigures that come with slime. We have to do those. But I think I've had you guys sitting here long enough for today. So, make sure you check us out next time, where we will have all that you see here remaining. I think there's 4 or 5 left remaining. And we will have even more added to the table. And we will keep piling it and piling it until we get through all of them. And we could start on 2022. Please, guys, if you haven't, subscribe below. Support the channel. Let me know that this is the right path I'm on. And until the next time, stay safe, happy, healthy, and be nice to everyone. Bye.